Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer SmartThings motion sensors to new hub properly step by step clearly. To transfer SmartThings motion sensors to a new hub, begin by ensuring both your old and new hubs are powered on and connected to the internet. Open the SmartThings app on your smartphone. Select the Devices tab from the bottom menu. Locate your old hub within the device list. Tap on the old hub to access its settings. Find the option labeled Remove Device or Delete Hub. Follow the prompts to remove the connected motion sensors from the old hub. Once the sensors have been removed, return to the main screen of the app. Tap on the plus sign icon to add a new device. Select SmartThings Hub from the list of device types. Choose the option to add a new hub and follow the setup instructions. Ensure your new hub is connected to Wi-Fi and linked to your Samsung account. Once the new hub is set up, tap on the plus sign again to add devices. Choose Motion Sensor from the list of available devices. Follow the prompts to put your motion sensors into pairing mode. Typically, this involves pressing the reset button on the sensor until it blinks. The app will scan for available sensors. When your motion sensors appear in the app, tap to add them to the new hub. Confirm their status to ensure they are connected and functioning properly. Test each motion sensor by moving in front of it to verify that it responds in the app. Once confirmed, your SmartThings motion sensors should now be successfully linked to your new hub. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.